of us, and welcome lower back to the English Mentor channel, in which mastering English is simple and amusing.
Hello, Evelyn. Hello, all people. I'm excited because today's topic is about don't waste your life.
That's right. And earlier than we soar in, recall to subscribe. It absolutely enables us create extra trainings for you.
And we love making them, specifically this one.
Today, we're beginning with a bit story. So, believe this. You're standing in a quiet room, and in front of you, there's a protracted table. On the desk are small glass jars. Every jar is filled with sand.
Oh no, this already feels emotional.
Each jar represents 1 month of your lifestyles: childhood, teenage years, early adulthood.
And the sand is falling, right?
Yes, it's continually falling, and then, all at once, you look carefully and realize some jars are already empty.
Ouch.
Everyone listening right now feels this moment because all of us realize time actions, but we frequently forget how speedy it actions.
And that's why today we learn how to not waste our lives.
Exactly. Simple English, deep trainings, and effective motivation.
All right, Evelyn, let's get beginned.
Let's do it. Every man or woman in the world wants an excellent life, a significant life, a life they're pleased with.
But now in some gain, we get lost.
Yes, we get busy, we get worn out, we get distracted,
We start reliving the same day again and again.
and years skip without change. That's why this topic matters.
Because don't waste your lives doesn't mean work harder.
It means wake up.
Be aware.
It means understand what virtually matters.
And today we'll talk about 6 effective methods to live with purpose, using simple English, heat memories, and sensible steps.
So let's start. Let me start with a story. There was a man named Daniel. For 10 years, he told every person, "One day I will start my dream commercial business."
Let me guess. He never started?
Not for a very long term, because each year he told himself, "Not now, maybe next year. I need more money. I need more self-confidence. I need more time."
Classic.
And one day, he finally found out there is no perfect time. Life never pauses. Time doesn't stop so we can get geared up.
So he eventually started.
Yes, but he always said, "I wish I started earlier."
This is so common. People wait for the sky to turn gold or for the stars to line up perfectly.
And this waiting wastes life. Here's the truth. Perfect moments don't arrive. We create them. You waste your life when you wait too long to start something important. There is always a reason to delay. Your mind always says, "Not yet." Start small, but start today. Choose one goal and take a 5-minute action. Don't think about the whole mountain. Think about one small step. Tell a friend. When you share your goal, you take it seriously. Your life is not waiting for you. It is happening right now. Even a small beginning today is better than a great beginning the next day. Procrastinate. To delay doing something. Easy sentence. When I procrastinate, I lose time.
I have a story too.
Let's hear it.
My friend Mira wanted to learn art, but her family said, be a doctor, it's better. So she tried to be a doctor, and she was miserable.
Poor Mira.
She wasted years trying to be someone she wasn't.
This happens everywhere. People take a look at careers they don't love, marry someone because of stress, live lives others pick for them.
And they wake up at age 50 thinking, I lived someone else's life.
Exactly. And here's the painful truth. You cannot make anybody happy, and you shouldn't try. When you make choices only to make others happy, you lose yourself. You feel empty. You feel lost. Ask yourself, What do I want? Spend time alone to listen your own voice. Make one small decision this week for yourself. Remember, those who truly love you want you to be happy. Your life is your story. If you don't write it, someone else will. Authentic, real, genuine, not fake. Easy sentence. I want to live an authentic life.
Evelyn, confession time.
Oh, go on.
I'm a master at announcing, I'll do it later.
Aren't all of us?
Seriously, laundry? Later. Homework? Later. Life goals? Also later.
And then it's been 6 months, right?
Exactly. One day I looked at my existence and notion, why is not anything changing?
Because small delays end up massive delays. Later turns into by no means.
That hits tough.
Let me tell you a story. There became a woman named Hannah. She desired to improve her English. Every day she said, I'll start the following day.
Oh no.
One day, she found out she were saying the same sentence for 2 years.
Ouch.
She was not lazy. She was just used to waiting.
Habit.
Yes, a dependency. And habit form our lives. One good addiction can build your future. One terrible dependency can destroy your future. Hannah, sooner or later, determined to change. She started with best 10 minutes of English Observe each night. 10 minutes. That's it.
And it lurbed?
Not at once, but after some weeks, she could sense progress. After some months, she was speaking with self-confidence. After 1 year, her life absolutely changed.
Wow.
Because she broke the later addiction. Saying I'll do it later feels secure. It feels easy. But it is far dangerous. When you put off something every day, you lose time, strength, and opportunities. A small delay becomes a massive regret. Every time your mind says later, say, just 3 minutes now. Set a small daily rule. I will not sleep till I entire one small task. Use a timer. Start with only 5 minutes. Celebrate small wins. They build motivation. Your future needs you today, not tomorrow. Small actions now create big outcomes later. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. Delay. To wait before doing something. Easy sentence. When I put off my dreams, they take longer to happen. You know, Evelyn, people often think life changes through big moments.
Like winning the lottery.
Or traveling the settle.
Or becoming famous.
Yeah, the big dramatic stuff.
But real life doesn't work that way.
Life changes via very small actions repeated every day.
Like brushing your teeth.
Exactly. If you skip brushing for 1 day, nothing happens. But if you skip for months, disaster.
Ew.
The same with life. Small good actions create good results. Small bad actions create bad results. Let me tell you a story. There was a boy named Kareem. He wanted to get more healthy. He didn't start with a gym membership or a big plan. He started with one thing, a 10-minute walk after dinner. He did it every day, and something magical happened, not to his body, but to his identity.
His identity?
Yes, he started to see himself as someone who takes care of his health. And identity is more stronger than motivation.
Ooh, say that again.
Identity is more stronger than motivation.
Love it.
After some months, that 10-minute walk became a 30-minute walk. Then he started stretching. Then he added 10 push-ups. Slow growth, but real growth. 1 year later, he was a very different person. Not because of a big change, but because of small actions repeated every day. Small habits are powerful. They are easy to do and easy to repeat. When you do something small every day, it becomes part of your identity. And when something becomes part of your identity, it becomes natural and automatic. Choose one daily action: 5 minutes of reading, 5 minutes of cleaning, 5 minutes of English. Keep it extremely small. Track your habits in a notebook. Seeing progress motivates you. After 30 days, add a touch more time, slowly. You don't need to change your whole life today. Just take one small step, then repeat it tomorrow. Your future self will thank you. Consistency. Doing something frequently. Easy sentence. With consistency, small actions become powerful habits.
Evelyn, I think a lot of people live in the past because it feels more secure.
Yes, the past is familiar. The future is unknown.
And sometimes the past hurts, but people still hold it tightly.
They replay mistakes. They replay failures. They replay moments they wish they could change.
Like a movie on repeat.
Yes. And here's the problem. You cannot construct your future if you are usually searching backward. Let me let you know a story. There turned into a man named Lewis. When he changed into young, he ignored a massive possibility, a task he genuinely desired. He blamed himself. He felt silly. For a few years, he saved announcing, "If best I got that task."
Ah, the famous what if lure?
Exactly. What if? If simplest, I should have. These phrases stole years from him. One day, his friend informed him, "You don't live in that second anymore. Why are you continue to be there?"
That's deep.
Lewis realized he was wearing antique pain into new days. So he decided to forgive himself. He started getting to know new talents. He made new plans. And slowly, his life stepped forward.
The past is a place to analyze from, not an area to live in.
Beautifully said.
Thank you. Thank you.
When you let go of the past, you supply your future room to grow. You waste your lifestyle when you live stuck in old memories. The past cannot exchange. Only the destiny can. Learning from mistakes is good, but holding them all the time continues from moving forward. Write down one past mistake and then write, "I forgive myself." Talk to a friend about your emotions. Replace "what if" with "what now." Focus on what you may control today. You are not your past. You are not your antique mistakes. Your life can still be beautiful, starting today. Regret. A sad feeling about something from the past. Easy sentence: I let go of regret so I can move forward.
Okay, Evelyn, this sounds interesting.
It is. This very final phase is about growing a life you can smile about.
Even if life is hard?
Especially then.
I like that. Let me share a story. There was a girl named Amina. She grew up in a small town with little or no money, but she had big dreams. She wanted to speak English, tour the world, and help people. Many people laughed at her. Some said, "Be sensible." But she kept going. She studied English on her antique cell phone every night. She saved small amounts of money. She read books. She took unfreezed online courses. She practiced speaking even if she felt shy.
That's courageous.
Yes. And after many years of these small steps, she got a job in another country. Her life changed completely, not because of luck, but because she determined to build a life she was happy with.
So the key is vision plus small actions plus courage?
Exactly.
And anyone listening can do that?
Every single person, no matter where they start.
Building a life you're proud of doesn't require perfection. It requires direction. A meaningful life doesn't come by. You build it slowly with choices you make every day. When you choose learning, kindness, effort, and honesty, your life becomes stronger. Write a short vision. What kind of life do I want? Set 3 small goals for the next 30 days. Improve 1% daily, just a little. Stay around people who support your growth. Celebrate progress, not perfection. You deserve a life that makes you proud. Take small steps. Stay consistent. And don't let fear stop you. Your future is greater than your fear. Purpose. The reason you do something. Easy sentence. When I live with purpose, I feel happy.
Now take a deep breath.
Go on, we'll wait. Your life is a gift. Every day is a brand new chance.
You are not too past. You are not too old. You are not too weak.
You can still learn.
You can still grow.
You can still change your story.
The next chapter of your life has not been written.
And you hold the pen. Your mission. Tonight, take 10 minutes. Write one thing you want to change. Write one small step you will take tomorrow. Then do it. Your life will not change in one day, but it will change when you stop wasting your time and start living with purpose.
Thank you for spending this time with us.
We hope this episode touched your heart and helped your English grow.
Share your one takeaway in the comments. We love reading them. And remember to subscribe for more simple, warm, friendly English lessons.
Keep learning
Keep growing.
and don't waste your life.
See you next time.